So it's no question that creating a custom agent for your company is a smart move. AI is all the rage, but also you have a wealth of information on your website and in knowledge bases that can help elevate your customer experience and alleviate some of the stress on your customer service, sales, and marketing teams. So when you think about all the different ways you can do that, AI agents are a really great way. On one side, you can use a tool like HubSpot's Customer Agent, which is a really good wide-angle lens of being able to get representation on your website. Well, as it stands, it's somewhat limited in regards to what capabilities it has in regards to prioritizing content, as well as being able to focus on a particular business segment, location, or product that you have. So you might want to create different agents for different purposes, whether it's a pricing agent, whether it's a product support agent, whether it's a demo agent. You can use these agents to do very different tasks. The good news is we can still leverage the UI of HubSpot's chat flows and chat functionality. You can still enable your sales and service teams to be able to see the conversations that happen with your customers inside the chat interface. You can use the power and customizations of external large language models like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, etc., at a greatly reduced cost when you consider a per conversation cost. So let's jump in. So what you're seeing here is an example of a custom agent that we've built in a HubSpot chat flow. This particular chat flow is embedded into a HubLMS support chat page. You can type in just about anything. Now, how we got this set up is that this particular one is set up to prioritize certain actions based on the types of questions and the overall pages that we send folks to. Now, it works with a normal chat flow. With each one of these chat flows, we can have very specific instructions that we give the large language model. We can give very specific content that the language model is going to review. And then we can also set up our desired outcomes so that you can see the items in HubSpot. So let's see how this works. What are my pricing options? So we can type that into the chat. And what it's doing right now is grabbing the content that is relevant and it's going to return a response. So you can see we've got a response from the website via the LLM, and it's breaking down the 3 different versions of HubLMS. Now, from here, we have the option of clicking in to purchase, and it will take you straight to the corresponding page where you can purchase those options. Let's go here and say, what are the features of HubLMS Pro? When you type that in, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to go back out to the chat. It's pasting the information. It's going to come back and give you the details. And we have this particular question is prioritized to be more of a sales action because you're interested. You can come in and you can hit buy now, and this will take you straight to the pro option, the purchase. And then finally, we can talk what level of HubSpot does HubLMS Enterprise require? This is going to go back to the content and it's going to allow you to come in and you can see the HubLMS Enterprise requires Marketing Hub Professional and Content Hub Enterprise. So all these things can be brought into a rule-based chat flow and can allow for you to have greater flexibility in targeting. Now, on the other side, we have the conversations going to come in right here. And so you can see this entire chat that we just went through is going to show up in the actual chat. As a live chat user, you can take over the chat at any given moment, and you can then take over from that AI chat. So this can be a really great way of enabling your support team to have AI dropping in and starting the conversation, but let the human finish it and make sure that things are landing where they should. So we're happy to help you with setting up content and making sure that you've got the right context for the bot. We're happy to build you, happy to understand how your customers best use it and talk to you about how you can target and the different areas of your business that you can use. The cool thing about this is your agents are not going to be limited to being things that are externally focused. You could have a custom portal that's focused just for customers and a very specific way that you want to deliver that support via an AI agent. But you could also do the same thing for your internal staff. You could have an internal staff agent that scours the information in your internal knowledge bases and supports your teams too. We're happy to help you at Impulse Creative. If you're interested, let us know and someone on our team can go through the details with you. Thanks so much.